and now Snagit is recording. This is the easiest way that I know to get picture-in-picture. For less than $100, you can have yourself in the video. This is a Sennheiser USB microphone that I use because you want a very good sound, and analog mics do not have good sound, but the USB mics do. This is one I had when I used to do medical transcription by voice, and this was the model they recommended I buy. It was quite expensive, but it was less than $200, so for the work I did, it was quite worth it to buy it, and I've used it ever since. I've had it since the late 90s. I haven't transcribed since 2005. My nose is itching. But I keep it because I use it for my videos and different things. I also use it with Audacity, which is free. And you can get very good voice recordings with that. You see it sitting there on my screen. That's because I use it all the time. I also use this little free video editor to swap my videos together if I have more than 2 videos that I need to put together. Or sometimes when I need to reduce or increase the quality of the video, I use that as well. It's quite good. But I try to use as many free tools as I can. All of these are free. Except, yeah, the Open Office, since I don't have Word, that's free too. It has all the tools that Word has, a presentation and Excel and Word. And this little video editor is real good. It was free. I have a couple of free ones. This video player was free. I use a lot of free stuff because I'm cheap.